Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 3 core pillars of Airbnb listing. These are the things I wish I had known about and paid more attention to before starting Airbnb business. The first pillar is photos and the design. I cannot stress enough how important it is to take good quality photos for your listing and to have a good design. Those two go together. So you need to have a good design in order to take good quality photos, and you need to take good quality photos in such a way that it complements your apartment design. One thing I would recommend you to do is, as you are designing your apartment, to think about your cover photo and your top 5 photos. You need to make sure that your design is best suited for Airbnb business specifically, and to attracting lots of customers to your business by standing out among your peers and among your competition within your market. The second pillar is the pricing strategy. Pricing strategy consists of 2 things mainly. One is dynamic pricing, and you can use multiple softwares to run your dynamic pricing. And second is the discounts. You need to have those 2 things dialed in. It will probably take you 2 months to dial in your pricing strategy if you are new to Airbnb and if it's your first listing. But after those 2 months, your listing should be well in sync with the market, and your prices should reflect market prices in your area. And lastly, it's the reviews/operations. Can't stress enough how important it is to have 5-star reviews from each and every guest. You need to be a super host, especially if you only have 1 or 2 listings and if you are starting out. I personally never stay with a host that is not a super host, and I travel and stay at lots of different Airbnb listings around the world. Make sure that you also pay attention to your guest reviews. They will give you great feedback on how you can improve your listing. You should tailor your listings to your guest needs, and reading the reviews will help you do just that. Once again, 3 pillars are the photos and the design, your pricing strategy, and your reviews and your operations. I would pay most attention to those. I would do most research about those topics if you are just starting out in Airbnb business. I have plenty of videos, free videos in this YouTube channel, so you can watch some of my videos. I also have a full course that you can check out. There will be a list in the description of the video below. If you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to our channel and wait for more educational content. Thank you very much. I wish you a full calendar and best of luck. Cheers.